hair, and I'm excited because this can't look like this no more. I cannot. So we're jumping straight into it, removing that raggedy ponytail, wig, whatever you want to call it, and getting straight into it like I said. LOL. But woo! I'm debating on if I should wash my hair. I don't really feel like doing
Wash your hair before your protective styles. Your scalp will thank you later, and that's exactly what I did. I really did not want to do my hair, period. Didn't want to wash it, didn't want to put the twist in, but I did it, and I was so happy and grateful. So before we get started with parting my hair, I like to just go in and oil and moisturize my scalp, and I feel like this is just adding a protective layer of just moisturization and just overall protection, because sometimes the braiding hair that we use, it can be very like harsh and damaging to our hair. So I just feel like this adds an additional protective barrier to just help with my overall hair health. Next, I am sectioning my hair into 4 quadrants, so straight down the middle and then from ear to ear. And I don't know, this go around I was just really struggling. I think it's because my hair is shorter and it's just harder to like part the hair now. So this go around, I'm starting in the front of my hair. To me, it made sense because you exhaust all the energy starting in the back. So by the time you get to the front, you're tired and you don't feel like doing it. And I feel the front is where people are looking at the most. But to start off, I am just sectioning a small section of hair off, and then I am greasing my scalp. This go around, I didn't use any edge control. I'm actually using Blue Magic, not the actual blue one, but the one with the hemp. And I am going to show you a more in-depth process of how I'm actually feeding in the hair later. Once I have defined my main section, I am then going to take another comb, and that is my parting comb, and I'm just going to take a smaller slither of this section, kind of like a square, and that's going to be the first twist. The remaining hair will be used for the additional twist, and you can just go ahead and clip that out of the way so it's not getting pulled into this particular twist. The hair that I will be using will be listed down below in the description box, but from like the little bundle that they give you, that can be divided into 2 sections. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm just unraveling it a little bit and dividing it into 2 separate sections. I also like to spray my hair with water because for me it just helps on my hands when I am wrapping it around, because again, like I said, the hair can be a little bit harsh. So this particular hair was not really soft. You may be wondering, oh my goodness, how did you get to the front of your hair? Because I was doing my hair, like, what do you mean? Anyway, I am fast forwarding to the front of my hair just so I can show you like the true process. Like, you don't want to just sit through me doing my hair but not know how to actually really do it. So I'm going to try to show you the best way that I know how and the best explanation that I know how to provide on like how I did my hair. So I'm going to zoom in real close so you can see exactly what I'm doing. But I really don't know how to describe what the heck I'm doing. But I'm going to take this extra piece of hair and I'm going to wrap it around my hair. So we're going to grab it like that. You see? We're going to grab it with our pinky because that's how I grip it. I don't know how to describe this. Just watch. You see that? We kind of like did what we did. I don't know how to describe this, y'all. But like, I'm just showing you that we're like crisscrossing the hair so that we're actually like, my hair is on one side and my hair only, and then we have the 2 pieces of the braid, and then we're just gonna braid our hair normally like all of it was mine, and we're just gonna braid it down. And then when we get a little piece of mine in the middle, that's when we're gonna divide my hair in the middle to each of the 2 fake hair pieces, and then we're just gonna twist. So I start off each twist as a braid, and then when I get to a certain point, I then separate my hair and then twist it down. That is the best way I can explain. I'm gonna shut up the next go around and just let you watch, and maybe you'll get it. But I don't know how to explain this, y'all. I'm so sorry. Okay, hello, I'm back to talk your head off. So we wrap the hair around. My hair stands by itself, and the two fake braiding hairs act as anchors. We're gonna twist, grab one of the pieces, and braid like how you normally would braid like a plait. And maybe if we braid like 2 or 4 down, once my hair gets in the middle, we are then going to break up my hair into 2 sections and add each section to one of the braiding anchors or fake hairs, whatever you want to call it. And then we are going to just twist down how we normally twist our hair when we're doing twist. And that's it. This was very quick and easy to do, and I'm actually very thankful because I didn't want to sit and stand for 17 hours doing my hair. I think this overall style took me like 4 to 6 hours. But please comment below if this was helpful, because I'm really not sure if it was, but I hope it was. And like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!